Hey, what's going on today? Keith Shannon, Direct Carpet. Today we're going to show you how long it takes for, this is a pretty big basement installation. We're ripping out the old carpet, ripping out the old pad, and we still don't know if that pad is glued down. We'll see in a few minutes. You guys are going to see with us. And we're going to show you the time that it takes for the rip out. We'll do some time lapse, and then when the time lapse is done, I'll tell you how long it took. Then we'll do the underpad rip out and the reinstallation of the new underpad, and then finally we're going to be putting in a new carpet today called True Unity. It's a big piece, 32 feet long. We got a couple of poles in behind me. You can see that we've got to work around, and yeah, so it'll be good. So let's see how long it's going to take to do this job. We're starting, I think it's around 8:31 in the morning, and yeah, so stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel. Okay guys, one thing I wanted to show you, when we do a rip out, we always cut these guys into small sections. I see a lot of our customers who do their own rip out end up cutting them in huge pieces and trying to roll them up and get them out of the house and then throw them on the driveway. We cut them up into maybe 3-foot sections like this all the way along, and then we roll them up and we take them out, because you remember after this we got to take this stuff to the dump. So we've got to take it outside, get it out of the customer house, load it back into the truck, and then take it to the dump. So that's a lot of work, and the smaller the pieces are, it might take more trips. But like I said, you save the paint, you save any woodwork, and then just ease of getting it out of the house, into the truck, and then out of the truck to the dump. It is 9:05 a.m. We've done all the rip out on the main part. We've taken all the old carpet out, all the old pad out. Rob is bringing down underpad as we speak. And what did I say? It was 9:05, so that was about 30 minutes. You can see that these pins are in perfect shape. So we're gonna leave this smooth edge down. That took about 30 minutes, 32 minutes to rip all that out. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, and then we're going to put the new underpad. Now, we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna roll out the pad, and we're gonna time that and see how long that takes, starting now. Tape that all up just like these seams. So now you have an entire room that has a vapor barrier underpad with the seams sealed with a nice vapor barrier tuck tape. Okay, so the new underpad is down. It is sealed with the vapor barrier tuck tape, and on the stopwatch that looks like it's a little bit over 30 minutes. So we've managed to rip out the old carpet in about 30 minutes and reinstall the new underpad in about 30 minutes. Not bad. Next step is going to be a little bit longer. So what we'll do is we'll break it down to a couple steps. We're going to bring this 32-footer in, which is probably about 250 pounds. It's not a small piece of carpet. We will snake it down the stairs, and then we will lay it out. And like I said, we got to lay it out in the middle of this room between these two poles. This will not be the most fun that one can have, but if you're watching, it'll be exciting to watch. Now, I don't know how much of that you guys saw. Well, that was not fun. But it's in. Now we're going to roll that out, and we're going to start the timer to see how long that takes. Okay, so the layout and the seaming of the carpet is done. We're done in the 14-foot room. We're done the big 32, and we are done the 22-foot section. The stairs are cut and ready to go. Preparation time was 1 hour and 50 minutes. Now, it did take some time. That was a serious layout. Not fun around the poles. So now we are going to get into our installation. We'll see how long that's going to take that. Okay, we are done that last bit with vacuuming, cutting in, cleaning, taking everything outside. Was about 108 minutes. It's 1 o'clock. We got here at 8:30. So what? 5.5 hours to do. 93-yard job. It's not bad. Different jobs will take different amounts of time. We had our challenges here, but it was also had some really good things. I mean, we had full pieces of carpet for both sides. This carpet is True Unity by Mohawk, and it's about a 45-ounce pile. It's got a little two-tone, does show the vacuum marks, but it's very soft. Got a great warranty, easy to clean. Looks amazing. Looks great.